Hi!
Hello.
So, nag-coffee shop hopping kami. Ang thought, SL. This is our SL.
Debriefing.
Debriefing. It's a scheduled leave. Tapos, ang una namin pinuntahan ay Kodawari.
Yes.
Yeah, so
Sarap.
perfect ng food.
Yeah.
Like, 100/10.
Oh, diba? Perfect.
Super
Super
perfect.
perfect.
Sakto lang
Oo.
din ang portion
Ang portion.
na in order.
Right.
Naubos namin lahat ng in-order namin.
So, ang in-order namin ay chili mansi noodles,
Yes.
Udon.
udon, tsaka
And then
crispy
the crispy
potato.
Ang pinaka-favorite ko ay
The crispy.
crispy potato.
Yeah.
Ako din, crispy potato.
Thank you, Mama.
So, after Kodawari, we went to the Kind
The
Coffee
kind
Cookie.
coffee. Yes.
So, ang in-order namin doon ay 3 cookies, 3 coffee.
Coffee.
Masarap yung cookie. I got the red velvet cookie. Dito ba tayo tatawid?
Oo. Ay, ba? Or
Yes, yes. Red velvet cookie, OG chip,
yes. OG.
dark, deep dark,
Dark chocolate.
banana coffee, salted honey, tsaka
White
White
white chocolate mocha.
Masarap.
That's so lit.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Tapos malinis. Kahit ang mga staff,
Ano lang, meron lang nag-offer maging financial
Financial
advisor.
Nag-offer ng part-time.
nag-over ng part-time kasi
Then, like,
na-overhear daw
parang-
nila.
Parang ox tayo nung una na,
Oo.
okay, anong part-time yan?
Oo.
Eh?
Tapos hanggang sa
Sinabing,
financial advisor, bilang
Engon!
naisip kami doon.
yes. Then after that, dahil naging awkward,
Umalis kami.
umalis kami. So we went next to Mod Cafe.
Yeah.
Dito lang siya, then around Salcedo.
Oo.
The place is nice.
Yes.
Mukha naman siyang malinis, pero yung coffee,
Coffee.
it's mid.
Yeah,
Medyo,
it's mid.
hindi
Not
siya
special.
special. Yeah, nothing special. I think yung specialty nila ay yung matcha.
Oh, masarap yung matcha.
Masarap yung matcha, pero meron pang mas masarap na matcha.
Yeah.
Like, sino man.
Tsaka, ang mahal niya.
Mahal siya.
310 yung in-order.
Pero kung gusto nyo makamura, mag-sign up kayo sa loyalty.
Yes.
Yes, meron 20% off.
Yes.
Diba?
20%.
Tawid tayo dito.
Tatawid na kami. The good coffee and cookie.
Good. The kind girl.
Sorry.
Cookie!
Oo nga, dapat.
Akala ko sabi mo the good coffee.
Ano siya? Ay, ano na?
Oh, zero names. DKC.
Meron sa office.
The Cozy Kitchen.
Yes.
Oo nga, no?
Yes. Ayun lang, dahil tapos na, 1 minute na lang daw. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
See you
See you
on the next
next-
SL.